Hello everyone, today we will study about homepath software, which is an important software used for computer repertory. It is a database software developed under guidance of Dr. Jawahar Shah by Mind Technologies. The latest and the most comprehensive version of this software is Homepath Zomeo. Homepath Classical version 8.0. It is India's number one software for homeopaths. Now we will see the benefits of this software. First, reduction in prescription time, getting better results, creating own repertories and lectures, storing patients' data analysis of their case, organizing their practice, confirming the symptoms of patient and remedies from the proving. A brief outline of modules are mentioned below, which are used in this repertory. First is classical. It is fast and efficient module with 29 repertories. Now, unique features of classical: quick repertorization, that is, enter the symptoms the way patient narrates and you will get the results. Fast, intelligent, and powerful searches, expert analysis, and remedy analysis. These features you get in classic. Now, second is archives. It is practitioner personal chest of knowledge. It is collection of mathematica, philosophy, pharmacy, and drug pictures, etc. Third is utilities. It has features which make learning a pleasurable experience for practitioners and students, like patient management. It stores entire database of patient like case record, prescriptions, follow-ups, etc. It helps in case analysis. One can get analysis of follow-up, diagnosis, statistical analysis of one's case. Sixth is links tertiaries. That means it is compilation of articles from international homeopathic links written by internationally acclaimed researchers and practitioners. Seventh, treasury. It is compilation of over 4,000 articles based on practical, clinical, and homeopathic experience of various generations of homeopaths. Link tertiaries, that was compilation of international homeopathic links. But where there is only tertiaries, it is compilation of practical, clinical knowledge of various generation of homeopaths. Then comes the Mathematica Elite, compilation of remedies with their complete details provided. Ninth, Mathematica Live. It is world's first homeopathic multimedia CD where the remedies have live in front of practitioners. Then Homeopath Assist. It keeps a tracks of practitioners' schedule, acting like personal organizer. Homeopath Assist act like personal organizer, bill and more to keep the track of account and print patient bills. And the last is multilingual email to communicate easily. So the important points modules included are classic, then comes archives, utilities, patient management, case analysis, link tertiary, Mathematica Elite, Mathematica Live, Homepath Assist, and multilingual email. That's all for Homepath software. So we have completed the computer repertories, that is Radar and Homepath. Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe the channel so you can get the videos as early as possible.